Make a great choice today with 2016 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty, capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, bed liner, chrome wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.